Hi, in this video, I will be telling you about how to send automated scheduled reminders through WhatsApp and Google Sheets. So, let me tell you some features about this entire program. So, you can have unlimited reminders. You can schedule them on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. You can select the date as well as the time when you want to send the reminders. So, you can see here there's the date, there's also the time. You can also activate and deactivate reminders. So if you want to stop sending the reminders, you can also check this off and stop sending the reminders. In addition to this thing, the good thing about this is you can also send any file from your Google Drive. So if there is any picture, Word, document, PDF file, you can include the link and you can send that through WhatsApp. The sending capability is 100 to 500 messages per hour depending on the size of the attachment. And again, even if there is a large number of reminders to be sent, it will continue sending them and it will not break the process. Let me dive straight into it. So where you are seeing this video, you will find a link to make a copy of the Google Sheet. So just click on that, click on make a copy. This copy will be made in your Google Drive. So if you go to your Google Drive, you will find it in your My Drive. You can click on My Drive and you'll find it somewhere here. So this copy is ready now. So let me explain this sheet to you. So this is the first sheet where you can put in the reminder. So how to put in the reminder? So you need to have the name of the person, his mobile number, then what is the message that you want to send. So you will check the message, you'll put the message that you want to send, okay, and then any attachment. So any kind of attachment that you want to do, simply put that file into Google Drive, and like for example, you can click new, click on new and click on file upload, and you can upload any file. You can upload any file whatsoever into your Google Drive. And once that file has been uploaded into Google Drive, so this is the file that is here. Once the file has been uploaded, simply click on this link to get the link, the shareable link. You see, you can copy this link from here, bring it here, and you can paste it here. So let me try sending a message to myself. This is where you can type your WhatsApp message. You can use Control Enter to make other lines, another line. Like this. So once you have the name, the mobile number, the WhatsApp message and the attachment, and then you can put the start date. So what date you want to start sending the reminder. So for example, today is the 8th of December. So let me say, okay, I want to start sending this today only. Now the next thing is that what time you want to send the reminder. So right now it is 2:12 p.m. So maybe for this demo purposes, I will put this as 14:15. So that becomes 2:15 p.m. And now you also need to put in the send days. So in how much time do you want to repeat this message? For example, if you want to repeat this message every day, you can put in 1. If you want to repeat it every week, you can put in 7. For every month, it can be 30. Every 2 weeks, it can be 14. Every 2 days. So it's totally your choice. And once it sends this reminder, it will automatically schedule the next date after so many days. Okay. And you can click here to activate. So now the moment I say activate, you see this becomes true. So this is an automated column. It will send a message immediately. So we have 3 automated columns in this. column A, this is fully automated. You don't need to do anything here. And the next column you see here is the J and K column, where you can see the status of the messages. So before you are able to send any further messages, you need to click here, click on the template, and here you need to do some basic settings. So you will be putting in your phone number and the username and the password. So friends, this is where you have to put in your test number, the username and the password which you created when you were setting up the WhatsApp gateway. So I hope that you have already completed that process. Otherwise, you please refer to the video for setting up the WhatsApp API gateway. And again, here to check that you have done this properly, you can click on manual test send and it should show you success. If it shows you success, then this is fine. And now we are ready to activate the sheet. So now if you want to send the messages, you have to click on COIT box and click on create triggers. So select your Gmail ID. This has to be done only once. Okay, it's only to be done once from the authorized Gmail ID. Click on allow. And now you can see here it shows that trigger has been set up to send WhatsApp every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, so it will check every 10 minutes that if a message has been scheduled to send, it will start sending the message. So now for the next part of the demo, I'll just bring on my phone online to show you how the messages are sent. So friends, now my phone is online and you can see that the test message is appearing here, the one that I had sent earlier when I had clicked this manual test send. Now the trigger is on. Let me try and send another type of test message. To send that test message, you can click on this button COID box and click on send test message. And you see here the test message is gone. Just click on this. So this shows you COIT box. This is just a test reminder message, just to ensure that everything is up and running. You can also check the report from the gateway by clicking on this link. So you have to put in your username and password. And this is where you can see that this is how the messages have gone, and you can click on view to see whether the message has gone. Yes, it says sent, so this means the message has gone. Let me come back to the sheet. Let me go to the contacts. So now the trigger is on and automatically the message will be sent. So how it sends a message is that the sheet will run every 10 minutes and it will be plus or minus 15 minutes, so don't worry. And as you can just see here, that just got triggered and it has sent me the reminder. So this is the reminder and it's sent along. This is exactly, you can see, this is what I had typed and this is exactly what's coming here. And here you can see this is the attachment. This is the same attachment. If I click the one that we had taken from the Google Drive, it is exactly the same attachment. So this is how it works. And now once the attachment has been sent, the message has been sent, what you will find here is the status. It says S. This means that the message has been sent, and this was sent on the 8th of December at 2:18 p.m. You can also see the sent report down here. If you click on send report, you will see the send report down here. Whenever the messages are being sent, you will see the log here. This is a log which shows you that when the sheet ran, 8th of December 2:18 p.m. and It ran for 8 seconds and sent one WhatsApp message. So this will keep, you can keep track that whether the sheet is running properly or not. Now going back to the contacts, so if you want to stop sending these messages, a particular message, you can simply click and deactivate it. Okay. And as you can see here, that already when the today's date was 8th, the date has already changed, and this is now set after 2 days. So now this message will be sent again after 2 days. If you want to deactivate the triggers, you can click on CUIT box and click on delete trigger. And you see that the trigger has been deleted. And also on this page, you will find these important instructions. Let me explain them to you. So you need to ensure these things. So it's better not to have any empty rows between the data. So please try and ensure that you don't have like some missing rows like this. Okay, it's better to do that. Although I feel that it'll still work if you have empty rows, but why to unnecessarily create chances of trouble here? Next is always enter the correct mobile number. If there is not a correct mobile number, the message cannot go. For India, you can simply put in the direct mobile number. You don't need to put any +91 or the country code. But for any international numbers, here it is important. You need to put a international code. So that is because the servers are located in India that are running this. So they need to know what code it is. And the important thing is here that, for example, when I'm putting an international number, so I can't start it with plus because this is what happens. Yeah, so it doesn't take plus. So the better thing to do would be, what I find to do is just to put it with a single inverted commas and then put +1 and then like this. Okay, so this is how you need to do this. So just need to enter it like that. And again, this is the instruction regarding the attachments. Also, please, you have to ensure that you've given us the Gmail ID, because if you don't use the sheet from a Gmail ID that has been registered with us, you will get an error. So I'll just try and show you that also. And also very important for the files. See, whenever we are sharing the files from the Google Drive, you can share it in many ways. So the right way is that either it is anyone with a link or public on the web. And to test this, you can open the link in the incognito or private mode of any browser to ensure that the file is opening. Do not share the file in these two modes, that on anyone inside the domain or anyone with the domain with the link, in the domain with the link. Okay, this will not work because the server will not get the access to open the file. So this link will become kind of a private link and only the people within your organization can open it. But we need that the WhatsApp server does not get access to it because it is not a part of your organization and will not be logged into your G Suite account. Okay, so please ensure the best way is to get this on anyone with a link and any file. To do this, so any file, whenever you are sharing this file, when you open this file here, you can open the file and click on the share settings, click on the advanced, and you can see here it says anyone with the link can view. You can click on change and you can see these are the different statuses. So if you are on G Suite, it will show you another option where it will say on anyone within the domain. So just change that to on anyone with a link. So that is all regarding the instructions. So I'm sure that this will come in handy and it will help you remind people for various tasks and things. Even you can remind yourself, send a WhatsApp to yourself. And this is an incredible tool, and you can be sending out reports from Google Drive. So if you have a certain report that you want every now and then, you can simply take the link of the Google Doc or a Google file and get it WhatsApp to you. So for every which way, this is a very, very handy tool. And even if you are on the road and you don't have access to a laptop, you still have access to WhatsApp, and you can send this data to yourself, to several other people. So an amazing tool that can be used for reminders as well as for sending reports using Google Drive. So thank you so much, and do have a look at the other programs that we offer on our website www.ceoitbox.com. Thank you so much.